Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video tutorial we will learn how to install the latest version of Python on Windows 11. So let's start. So first we will go to Chrome and here we will search for Python. We will go to this first link python.org. Now click on this downloads. Go to Python 3.13.7. Save it. So it is downloading. The download is complete. So we will open it. Right click on it. Open. Check both these checkboxes and install now. Yes, it is installing. So now you can see here setup was successful. So the installation is complete. So I'll close this. I'll close this as well and this as well. Now I'll come here to the search and search for idle or IDLE, which is the built-in Python IDE. Here I'll write a addition program. A equals 33, B equals to 67 and C equals A plus B, and we will print C. Now you can see 100 is printed, both the numbers are added. So in this way you can install Python 3.1, 3.7 on Windows 11 and can run Python programs.